What is inside dermal filler gels? Different types of dermal filler, and what are they made of? Dermal fillers may be classified as temporary, semi-permanent, or permanent based on their chemical makeup. Permanent fillers, which are not approved in Singapore, should not be used on the face. Only registered, qualified, and trained medical doctors with knowledge of facial anatomy can administer dermal fillers in Singapore. There are many types of dermal fillers available in Singapore. But what are they made of? Different types of dermal filler. Calcium hydroxylapatite, what is it? A synthetic compound similar to the hard tissues of the body. Areas it treat: cheek enhancement and facial volume improvement, correct moderate to severe facial creases. Hyaluronic acid, what is it? A gel-like substance containing HA to restore volume and plumpness to the skin areas it treat. Acne scars, cheek depressions, crow's feet, nasolabial folds, frown lines, marionette lines, forehead lines, redefining lip border, smoker's lines, improve skin's contour. Polyalkylamide, what is it? A semi-permanent asynthetic material, often used in dermal filler and plastic surgery for its biocompatibility and radiotransparency. Areas it treat: lip enhancement, treats deep nasolabial folds and depressed scars. Cheek and jawline enhancement. Polylactic acid, what is it? A synthetic biodegradable substance used as a dermal filler to stimulate collagen production and restore volume. Areas it treats laughing lines, plump thin lips, treats deep nasolabial folds.